Oh yeah, I forgot. Maybe is that it? I have no idea what I'm doing. God damn it. God damn it. I stopped shaving for a year to promote skunk awareness. Watch me look dumb. Watch me build. It's so stupid. Yeah, watch me build. I own an empire of garbage. The goal is to get rid of a house and 42 years worth of hoarding. I don't know what the fuck that's pointed at. What? That's not bad. 42 years worth of hoarding and a bunch of these vehicles, and get as much of that in cash as I can, go out to a property that I own in Missouri and begin to build an eco-community. But for now, I'm about to do rehab on this piece of shit trailer. I got scammed. I'm gonna say that right off the bat. I got fucked on this, and motherfucker. Take a look at this shit. I've been tearing up the floor. You can see here's a tiny little dry spot. This was completely soaked like that. This is all thin plywood with a layer of styrofoam and then other thin layers of ply on top. But underneath, see that? It's sheet metal. They just ran metal. So when you get a water leak, it runs down the wall and collects on the floor and doesn't drain out. It just stays in there for maybe 20 years. I don't know. I do know that if ever I shouldn't say new, if ever a 20-year-old now extinct virus was gonna propagate again, this is how that movie starts. And it sucks. It smells like fucking mushrooms and defeat. It smells like it smells like shame of buying this. But I didn't know, man. I didn't know that. What's good? This is a weird way to start a video. I bought an RV like 2 weeks ago. It was a pain in the ass to get it here, and it turns out that it's a rotten piece of shit. And it's real fucking gross in here. I'm inside of it now. Hang on. It smells like mushrooms up in this bitch. I got this thing for what I thought was a pretty good deal, but now I realize it fucking was not. I just started yanking at this. I didn't think it would be this bad. And then when it started coming off, I was like, oh fuck. And that's pretty fucking spongy feeling. Feels kind of wet. So I'm guessing it dripped all the way down and soaked into the goddamn floor as well. Motherfucker. Alright, so here's an update on this fucking piece of garbage. I got scammed. I bought a shitty camper. It's way shittier than I thought it was. A very fat, whorish lady sold it to me and took my money, and I'll never get it back. So now I'm gutting this camper. I was gonna try and just rip the floor out and save it, but there's way too much water damage and I can't deal with this shit. So we'll pull all these appliances out today and tomorrow. And then we'll all just laugh at my misfortune, I suppose. If you need a refrigerator, I got you. If you need a microwave, I got you. If you want to catch a weird virus, if you want like a weird fungal infection from mold that has grown for 20 plus years inside of a trailer, I got you. Oh shit. Check this out. That shit is for sale. Anybody wants it? hot fucking trailer tape deck missing a couple buttons. Why does that record? You're just gonna record your trailer? That's weird. Oh, it's fucking gross. There's the part where I just hit shit with a hammer. Pretend it's my dad. Fucking cunt. Fucking reeks. Come on, man. What the fuck? Fuck, that sucks. Yo, this shit smells so bad. Holy fuck. Oh, what the fuck is that? Jesus Christ, it's just like some fat whore shit. Did I mention that the lady who scammed me on this was a big, fat, shitty whore? And all she did was eat and shit. She would just sit on the toilet and just eat, and the shit would come out of her, and she would just eat and shit, eat and shit, eat and shit all day. Until one day she was like, I'm gonna put my pants on and sell this bitch. And then I showed up. And here we are. Fucking Elvis died on the toilet eating a sandwich. This bitch, she's gonna live forever. Take all that money. You know how many fucking sandwiches she's gonna buy with that goddamn money I gave her? What an asshole. What a fucking asshole. You have to be very precise with your actions. Be very exacting. This is the original trailer, camper 4. This here is what that scamming piece of shit, cunt face whore who sold me this had put over top. It might not have been her. It might have been the person who sold it to her. I don't know. Whatever though. You're a bitch. Yeah, whatever. I'll skip this. You're a bitch, lady. This is what's underneath that camper 4. Rotting, fucking disgusting plywood that has just held water for who knows how many years. And then under that, this styrofoam shit. And then under that, another level of shitty, rotten garbage plywood. And then underneath that is sheet metal. God damn. This shit is poison. Everything's poison. Fuck. This is... It's not like it's just damp, dude. This is a swamp, yo. Every time you rip up a new piece, you unearth this fucking rotten, shitty layer. God damn. Wet. It's dumb hot in here. Holy fuck. Hold up. Ah, you bitch. Yeah. That's all you can really walk on. All this, some of it's supported underneath, some of it is not, and it's just sheet metal. You'll fall through. I've just been scraping up. You can see the bottom layer of ply just comes up in little, I don't even know what you want to call it, little fragments. I don't know what to do with all the cushions and shit that I have stuck in there. I don't know where to go with them, and I don't want to take them inside, because who knows what kind of fucking bugs live in them. Because of this dirty whore bitch that sold me this dirty, filthy, stinking whore, scumbag piece of shit, cunt that ripped me off on this. I'm sure she had bed bugs. How could she not? Some type of genital scaby. Regardless, I don't want them in my house. Ah, fuck. Yo, it is hot as fuck in here. This is a turd. This whole fucking cabin is a turd. Here's a pro tip. Scrape up all the rotting poison. Try not to breathe it in. Pulled this out. That's a heater. That goes through the wall. It's your exhaust. Went right through that hole there. And I stuck my finger in the hole, and it's wet.
That's what she said. Excuse me?
So,
that's what she said.
There's water all down that fucking wall. Or soaking upwards, I should say. The water's soaking upwards. About to pull this bitch out. And I don't know, we just keep it moving, I guess. I don't know what to fucking do about any of this shit. Alright, so for whatever reason, I was in here today without this mask on for like, I don't know, 2 hours, 3 hours. I ripped all this shit out without a mask on. And then I went and took a little break, and during that break, I was like, I can't breathe as well as I used to. And now I got a sore throat. So I'm definitely getting the trailer lung. So now I got this mask on. I'm gonna just keep fucking pulling shit out. I don't know. This shit sucks. It sucks. I got beat. I got fucking beat on this trailer. And now I'm at the point where it's like, I don't know, do I tear everything up and try and fucking save it? You know? Doesn't seem like it. Seems like I probably shouldn't. Seems like that's a bad fucking move. God damn, I fucking hate this trailer so much already. Thanks.